Scary facts you probably didn't know about, Part 3. Did you know that there are fungi that can make the world full of zombies? In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, there are fungi that can infect insects, take over their minds, and control their movements. These parasitic fungi force the infected insects to climb to high points, where the fungi then burst out of their bodies, releasing spores to infect others. This real-life zombie phenomenon shows how nature can be more horrifying than any science fiction story.